How to fix disabled Wi-Fi on an Android phone. I'm going to show you 3 best working methods. So guys, this is really simple. Let's get started. First method, go to your phone settings. Then scroll down and open the general management option. Now go into the reset section from here. On this page, you need to select the reset network settings option. On this screen, press the reset network button. Then it may ask for your password. So enter your phone password and confirm the reset, because reset network settings can fix disabled Wi-Fi if the issue is caused by broken network settings or system errors. After that, try your Wi-Fi again. If the problem is still there, don't worry, move to the second step. For the second step, open the shortcut menu. Tap the power off icon. Now press and hold the power off option, then select safe mode and try your Wi-Fi again. If Wi-Fi works here, it clearly means an app is causing the issue. This helps you find the main reason directly. If the problem is still not fixed, then don't skip the third method. Open the shortcut menu again and turn airplane mode on, then wait for about 10 seconds. Yes, toggling airplane mode can fix disabled Wi-Fi by resetting and refreshing network connections. After 10 seconds, turn it and try your Wi-Fi again. Got any problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.